welcome to a new episode. In this episode we're gonna be going over the gearbox oil change. It's quite a simple job if you do it right. There's two things you're gonna need. You're gonna need a ratchet and a specific like Allen key torque type of thing. 1 second, I'll show you. Right, so the specific Allen bit you need is a 17mm. There, 17mm. There's two things I recommend you doing before you even start this. Is you make sure this here is your drain is loose, and this one here, your fill, can be loosened. You don't want to be stuck on either end, so make sure they're loose. And to be fair, both of mine are loose. I'll just show you now. Super simple. Like I said, these were pretty stiff on, so I'll just do that. They were pretty stiff on, and they're still pretty stiff now. There we are. Should be hand loose now. Gonna catch it all in a bucket. Are we ready? Oh. I'll be honest, it doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too bad. Like it's recently been done, I'll be honest. Right. Looking at the colour of it, doesn't look too bad. Oh bugger. I'll clean it up in a minute. But yeah, don't look too bad. The one I'm going with is this one here. Right, so now I'm just going to undo this one. As you can see, it's quite loose. I have loosened them all off, but gonna use the funnel, and then yeah, I'll just break that. Why not? Right, 1 second. Right. So hopefully, when I fill this up with this, shouldn't leak, hopefully. I'm gonna undo this. So I'm watching for it to leak. Once it does start seeping out, that's when you know you're at the limit. So I'm going to put the phone down and fill this now, because I don't want to lose any of it. Right, so I fastened that all back up now. As you can see, the fluids are a little bit different. Well, apart from, I don't know if you can really tell, but that's slightly blue, where the other one was a bit burnty. But yeah, if you're using the 4-speed, which this is a 4-speed box, and you can normally tell by the mounting bracket here, that's your fill and that's your drain plug. Fill it there, drain it there. As you can see from the front of this box, it's completely different. So there's a difference between the 4 and the 5-speed. Yeah, and this is different as well on the 4-speed, on a 5 to 4-speed. It's pretty much how you do it, nice and simple. As he says, as he drives on the road and blows his gearbox to pieces. But you'll never know that, because I won't tell you. Right, thank you very much for watching, guys. It's dead simple job. Just protects the gearbox. People that own these know they're like chocolate boxes. So yeah, thank you very much. See you soon. Bye bye.